Oh yeah, folks, check it out. Two owner, absolutely perfect Carfax, over 25 dealer service records, 2007 Wrangler Sahara Premium. Not a mark on this Jeep, folks. It is absolutely brand new. I drove it yesterday. It's fully service and safety inspected. This was a fresh Chevrolet trade-in, sat on their front line for a couple months, and they had it priced almost $2,500 more than what I just listed this vehicle for. Check it out. Rescue green metallic, got the charcoal inside. It's got a few upgrades, nothing major. Not a stitch of paintwork, no breakout rust. She is all there, folks. Interior's like new, non-smoker, original window sticker, books, manuals, factory CD. Super nice Jeep, folks. You won't find them this clean, I can assure you. It's new. Got the upgraded Infinity sound system, factory trailer tow pack, hard top. Yup. Couple decals on it, nothing crazy. Check it out. Original window sticker, cruise, tilt. Mileage is under 100,000. So it's technically got low mileage on this Jeep. And she's a lady. Guaranteed credit approval, full effect. Starting down payments on these Jeeps about $1,595. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. This is the Jeep, folks, and this is the place, DasCleveland.com.